our Woodward Dream Show on Friday today. Over 600 cars, the 32 Fords. We also did 100 years of the Lincoln, and this is 55 years of the Firebird.
I've always been like a NASCAR fan, Richard Petty fan, and I figured I could never own a real one, so I thought I might be able to afford this one. There's a Pontiac GTO over there, the Bobcat, with that paint color on it. That car though, that Bobcat, ooh.
It's a great venue for us, and it's people that don't normally see our cars, so we felt really good and really happy to be here.
Well, 32 Ford was the first year Ford came out with the frame rails showing body color and a gas tank in color and a firewall that removed. And so people would be able to race them, take the fenders off, race them, put them back on, go to the back home.
And I saw the Magnum Ferrari, and obviously other than weight, mustache, and good looks, I am Thomas Magnum.
This is obviously a beautiful a place to hold an event. Great people. We've had great pre-press days with everybody, and I'm looking forward to the next one. It's just been a great experience.